Hi guys, SQL Server session 3. Today agenda SQL and its sublanguages. Create a table and insert data into it. Arithmetic operators in select statement. Understand? Right. First, what is SQL? SQL is a programming language that allows users to manage the data in a relational database. Manage the data in a relational database, RDBMS. Understand? Right. So what are the sublanguages that are available under SQL? So this is the list of sublanguages that are available under SQL. DML, DDL, DRL, DCL, TCL. DML means data manipulation language. The statements comes under that: insert, update, delete. DDL means data definition language. The statements comes under that: create, alter, drop, truncate. DRL means data retrieval language. The statements comes under that: select. DCL means data control language. The statements comes under that: grant and revoke. TCL means transaction control language. The statements comes under that: commit, rollback, save point. I will give you the detailed explanation about each sublanguage and its statements in my later videos. Understand? Right. Next, database objects. So what are the examples of database objects? This is the list of examples of database objects: tables, views, stored procedures, triggers, and indexes. Understand? Right. Let's first discuss on tables. Later, we'll discuss on these objects. Understand? Right. In order to work with a table, first we need to have a table. How to create a table? Here is the syntax. Create table, table name, column 1, data type, column 2, data type, column 3, data type, like this, column n, data type. So this is how you can create a table. Understand? Right. If you look at our example, here I am creating a table EMP. Table name is EMP. The columns are ID, name, salary, gender, department number. I am creating EMP table with these 5 columns. ID I declared with integer. Varchar data type is declared for name column. Decimal is declared for salary column. Character is declared for gender column. Integer is declared for department number column. Now the question is, why varchar is declared for name column? You know that name contains variable length characters of strings. variable length, character of strings. So in that case, it is recommended to declare varchar data type. Why? It saves the memory. How? So the number of bytes varchar takes based on the actual data stored in, not based on the length that you have declared. Understand? Right. Here I am declaring decimal data type to this salary. Why? Salary may contain the decimal values also. That is the reason, so I declared with decimal data type. Understand? Right. Here for gender column, I declared with character data type. Why? Gender, it contains fixed length character strings. Fixed length character strings. So that is the reason I declared gender with a data type char. Next, department number, it is an integer. It contains integer values. So that is the reason declared with int. Understand? Right. So can we see it? How to create a table using SSMS? Right. Now I'm going to the SSMS. Here, so if you look at it here, I have a database demo1. Let's connect to that database demo1. How to connect? Use database name. Right. Use database name. Right. Next, create a table under the database. How to create a table? So for saving the time, I just doing copy and paste. Understand? Right. I'm creating a table EMP with these 5 columns. Understand? Right. Highlight this and click on that execute button. So the commands completed successfully. Understand? Right. Understand? Right. Next, insert the data into the table. Insert the data into the table. Here, insert one row with one insert statement. One row with one insert statement. How it is? It is like this. Insert into table name, values, and here you are giving all the values. Understand? Right. For saving the time, just copy and paste. Just copy and paste. I am trying to insert one row into that above created table. Execute it. I have executed. Understand? Right. So try to read the data. Try to read the data. Try to read the data. Select star from table name. The table is EM. So we can see the data. One record, we inserted one record. That data we are seeing. Understand? Right. Next, insert more than one row using only one insert statement. Using only one insert statement. So how to do that? See, like this we can do that. Comma separator. Values, row 1, comma, row 2. Understand? Right. One insert statement, inserting many rows. Got it? Right. For saving the time, just copy and paste. Just try to copy and paste. I'm trying to copy and paste. Understand? Right. So try to execute it. Highlight this and execute it. Click on that execute. Okay. So try to read the data. Try to read the data. Totally now 3 records should be available. Understand? Right. Here is one record. Here we inserted 2 records. Totally 3 records. Look at here. Totally 3 records. We are seeing those inserted records. Understand? Right. Next. See, in order to access the data that is there in the table, what sublanguage that we use? We use DRL, means data retrieval language. In order to access the data in a table, what sublanguage that we use? DRL, data retrieval language. What statement comes under that? Select statement comes under that. Understand? Right. Now, how to select a specific columns? Let's say how to select only ID, name from table, from employee table. We have already employee table. The question here is select only ID name. ID name. How to select it? Select column ID, comma, name from table name. Understand? Right. So specific columns. What specific columns I want? ID name. Okay, mention those columns only in select statement. And execute it. Highlight it and execute it. You can see only ID and name. Understand? Right. So this is how you can select specific columns. Understand? Right. Now, the next question is how to select all columns. You already have seen by using the star in the select statement. By using the star in the select statement, I can select all columns from a table. Understand? Right. Select star from table name. Table name is EMP. Highlight it and click on that execute. Now you can see all the columns got selected. Understand? Right. This is how to select all columns from a table. Using what? Using star in select statement. Understand? Right. Next, arithmetic operators in select statement. How to use arithmetic operators in select statement? Plus, addition. Plus, addition. In our example, I am trying to add 20, add two values, 20 and 10. 20 plus 10, the result is 30. Can you see that? Yeah. If you look at here, select, I'm trying to use arithmetic operator plus addition. What is the result? It gives 30. It gives 30. Right. Here, if you want to give any alias or if you want to give a column name, you can give a column name. Since we haven't given any column name, that is the reason we can see no column name. If you want to give any column name for this expression, yes, you can give. How it is? By using as keyword, as sum. Now sum is a column name for this expression. Understand? Right. Highlight this and click on that execute. Now you can see the column sum, under that the value is 30. Understand? Right. The plus is an addition. Understand? Right. To add, so 2 or more values. Okay. Next, subtraction, minus. Subtraction, minus. Let me give the column name as sub. Understand? So what is the result? You can expect the result is 10. 20 minus 10, it is a 10. Right. So you can see it, right? 10. Next, it is a multiplication. Multiplication, It is star. Understand? Right. Now I'm using here multiplication operator, that is star. And I'm giving name as the column name as mult. Understand? Right. Try to execute it. So what is the expected result? 20 into 10, it is a 200. 200. This is the expected result. Next, it is a division. So forward slash. Division. Forward slash. So forward slash. It is a division. Here I am giving alias the column name as div. Okay, what is the expected result? It is a 2. What is the expected result? It is a 2. I can see the result is 2. The next, modulus. So percentile. Modulus. So what it does? It gives the remainder. It gives the remainder. Understand? Right. It gives the remainder. Yes. What is the remainder? It is a 0. The remainder is a 0. Yes. Division gives quotient. So modulus gives remainder. Understand? Right. So these are mostly used arithmetic operators in a select statement. So mostly used arithmetic operators in a select statement. Understand? Right. Next example. So how to select name and salary by incrementing it 10%. Name and salary by incrementing the salary 10%. By incrementing the salary 10%. How to do that? Right. So this is how you can do that. Select. We have an employee table, right? So let me see the data. Let me select the data from the employee table. Select star from EMP. So what star does? It select all the columns. Understand? Right. So this is that data. Now what is the question? Select name and salary by incrementing it 10%. Salary by incrementing it 10%. Understand? Right. How to do that? Select name. Okay. Next, salary, incrementing it by 10%. Salary plus salary, salary plus salary into salary plus salary, salary plus um, salary into 10%. What is the 10%? It is a 0.1. It is a 0.1. Now for this, okay, so let me execute like this. Let me execute like this. So you can see like this. See here, if you observe, no column name for this result. For this result. So what I'm trying to give, I'm trying to give column name for that. So let me give it is a hike salary. Hike salary. Understand? Right. Now execute it. Execute it. Understand? Right. Hike underscore salary. You can see. So incremented salary. The salary got incremented by 10%. Understand? Right. That's how it is. Next, select distinct values in a column. Select distinct values in a column. Example, select only the distinct department numbers. That means, so I don't want repeated values. I want unique values in a column department number. How to do that? First, select select the department number. First, select the department number from employee table. From employee table. So first see, so are there any repeated values? Are there any repeated values? If you observe here, so 10 is a repeated value. It is repeated two times. Understand? Right. I don't want repeated values. I want a unique values. I want unique values. For that, so what is the keyword that we use? We use distinct keyword. So what is the keyword? Distinct keyword. Department number. Understand? Right. Now, so what it does, it returns only the distinct values. Only the It select only distinct values. You can see it, right? It select only distinct values. Understand? Right. It avoids the repeated values. Understand? Right. Next, select distinct rows from a table. Let me select all the columns from employee table. Select star from EMP. So let's see, are there any duplicate records? Are there any duplicate records? If you observe here, this record, the Madhu record is duplicated. It means this entire record is repeated 2 times. The entire record is repeated 2 times. So I don't want the repeated rows. I want unique rows. For that, what you do? So you can use distinct star. What is that? Distinct star. Now what it does, it eliminates duplicates row wise. What is the meaning of duplicate? Repeated.